Imagine you're in the salon, excited to try a color depositing conditioner. But hold on, this seemingly harmless product could be hiding serious risks. Many don't realize the dangers lurking in those vibrant tubes. You might think you're simply enhancing your color, but there's a twist that could jeopardize your hair's health. Chemically treated hair is delicate, and those bright colors can come at a steep price. While color depositing conditioners may seem like a miracle, they could actually be causing irreversible damage. Picture this: you apply that rich color, only to find your hair brittle and lifeless weeks later. Frustrating, right? As you run your fingers through strands that once flowed beautifully, panic might set in. What if the very ingredients meant to enhance your color are stripping away moisture? That deep conditioning sensation can be deceiving. While you're receiving compliments on your new shade, your hair could be silently suffering. It's like you're nourishing your hair with one hand while unknowingly damaging it with the other, a secret battle happening right on your head. And the worst part, you might not notice until it's too late. Have you experienced changes after using color depositing conditioners? Perhaps an increase in frizz or unexpected fading. Those harsh pigments could be interacting with the chemicals from your last coloring session, leaving you with dull, lifeless strands. You're left questioning whether it was worth it. Were those extra minutes at the salon just a waste? This tension builds, making you wonder if you've made a mistake. But what if there's a way to maintain that vibrancy without the risk? The solution lies in understanding your hair and choosing products that respect its history. Look for conditioners that are sulfate-free, nourishing your hair without harsh chemicals. Remember, your hair tells a story. It's not just about color, it's about health and vitality. The next time you reach for that color depositing conditioner, consider the warning signs and what's truly at stake. Take a moment to connect with your hair's journey, because when you truly understand it, you'll make choices that nourish rather than deplete. And is that the kind of beauty we all want? Have you ever felt that thrill when you discover the perfect color depositing conditioner? It promises to revitalize your hair, but what if I told you it could come with serious risks? Many people overlook the hidden dangers of these conditioners, especially on chemically treated hair. You might wonder what could possibly go wrong. The truth is, the consequences can be more significant than you realize. Let's think about what happens when you apply that vibrant conditioner. It feels like a transformation, but each strand is at risk. If your hair has been chemically treated, that burst of color might also bring unexpected downsides, damage. Imagine getting ready for a big night out. You want your hair to shine and stand out, so you apply the conditioner, and it looks stunning at first. But then hours later, you catch a glimpse in the mirror. Is that a strange texture? A dullness creeping in? Now let's dig deeper. The very ingredients that make your hair look amazing can alter its structure, especially if it's been processed. Those vibrant colors might be hiding something more concerning, as the color can cling to damaged areas, leading to uneven tones and ultimately breakage. Think back to a time you tried a new hair product without checking the label. You might have thought they would sell it if it were harmful. But that's where the real risk lies. Many brands prioritize immediate results over long-term health. You might be asking, what's the solution? It's not just about choosing a different product, it's about understanding your hair and making informed decisions. When you know what to look for, you can avoid the pitfalls of color depositing conditioners. As you navigate the world of hair care, consider how well you know the products you use. This knowledge could be the key to maintaining healthy, vibrant hair instead of falling into a frustrating cycle of damage. Remember, every choice you make matters. The next time you reach for that colorful promise, Think about what's truly happening beneath the surface. Your hair deserves more than just a quick fix. It deserves the care and respect it needs. Imagine this: you've just treated your hair, and the color looks absolutely stunning. But what if I told you that color depositing conditioners could actually be your hair's worst enemy? You might wonder, how can something that promises vibrancy be harmful? That's the tricky part. Many people don't realize the hidden dangers lurking in those bottles, especially if your hair has already been chemically treated. One wrong choice could lead to irreversible damage. Picture this: you're at home, confidently applying that conditioner. Over time, those vibrant hues you love could turn your beautiful locks into a brittle mess. Let's dig a little deeper. Color depositing conditioners often contain pigments that cling tightly to your hair, which can be harsh, particularly if your hair is already weakened from previous treatments. The more you use them, the more the chemicals accumulate like a ticking time bomb. Have you noticed your hair feeling heavier or losing its bounce? That's a sign. Many find themselves caught in a cycle of overusing these products, thinking they're extending their beautiful color. You might be asking, but what can I do? Hold that thought. Imagine sitting in a salon chair, hoping for a miracle, only to discover your hair is too damaged for the treatment you were counting on. That's the harsh reality for many who ignore the warning signs. Now you're faced with two choices: keep using these conditioners and risk irreversible damage, or confront the reality of needing a serious hair overhaul. It's a tough choice, isn't it? So what's the solution? Awareness.